Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You've got the box open. Start with essentials now. First, place the camera at eye level and position the pod centrally so everyone is within range. Once done, connect the camera to the hub and plug the mic pod into its port. This ensures signal routing and power. Now attach the power supply to the hub and choose HDMI or USB output based on your room setup. Doing these first prevents signal conflicts and saves time later. Next, get the Meetup on the network so management and firmware updates work. If you can, use Ethernet for stable bandwidth. Otherwise, configure Wi-Fi on the hub's touchscreen and confirm connectivity. Then open Logitech Sync or the camera app to push the updated firmware. This fixes bugs and unlocks features. Once updated, pair the remote and test pan, tilt, zoom controls. Make adjustments to framing so participants appear centered and natural on screen. Finish by validating everything with a live rehearsal. You should run an audio sweep, speak from the far edges and center, and tweak mic placement or gain so voice levels are even. Then verify video resolution and aspect ratio and lock camera presets for repeatable framing. If something goes wrong, reboot the hub first. It clears transient network and USB issues. If problems persist, check firmware versions and cable seating.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.